What is an allergy? An allergy is the reaction of our body towards a substance which may or may not be harmful to the body. It can be a germ or a harmless thing like a pollen grain, a foreign particle, or an edible substance that may be recorded as danger to the body by the immune system. Allergic responses are not common in everyone, but only a few whose body are sensitive to certain chemicals or substances. The reactions of the body include watery eyes, sneezing, rashes, itchy eyes, and other bodily symptoms like breathing problem, etc. Once found allergic, doctors prescribe the avoidance of encounter with that substance and medicines. The reaction of our body must not be ignored, as the immune system protects you from the allergen and shows signs to keep the body away from the allergen. Some people are also allergic to certain chemicals or medication. Therefore, they need to be cautious before taking any dose of medicine. What is Android? Nowadays, there is a craze among people to buy and carry Android phones, and not just because it is in trend, but because it is much useful. Android is actually an operating system and key applications for mobile phones like smartphones, tablet computers, etc. based on Linux. It was invented by Palo Alto from California, Andy Rubin, Rich Miner, Nick Sears, and Chris White from US in 2003, and this invention is later acquired by Google in 2005. Now, Android is used by a major population of the world, especially liked by youth and technology-loving people, because with the help of Android, various appliances can be developed. It is also much user-friendly due to its easy adaptability to the user's UI on different device types. How do plants make food? Plants are very important to us. All food people eat comes directly or indirectly from plants. Just like there are certain essentials to humans and animals' survival, plants have certain things they need too. The things that plants cannot live without are water, carbon dioxide from the air, sunlight, and nutrients in the ground. Plants use these things in a special process called photosynthesis, which allows them to make their own food, which is why they don't need to eat. Plants contain a special helper called chlorophyll, which is what makes them green, which makes photosynthesis possible. Another really special thing about the way plants make food has to do with how they use the air they breathe. While humans breathe in the part of air known as oxygen and breathe out the part known as carbon dioxide, plants do the opposite. That's one of the reasons why it's so important that we don't cut down too many trees. They help us to always have enough oxygen to breathe. What is the Internet? Today's world is also known by the name of Internet world, so it is really a need to know what the Internet actually is. It is a network of computers linked worldwide via telephone wires, satellite links, etc. Internet addresses are in form of aa.aaa.aaa.aaa, where AAA are numbered from 0 to 255. This is called IP address. All computers on the Internet can be divided into two categories. Servers contain information and browsers are the source option from where such information can be taken online. Generally, people think that World Wide Web and the Internet are the same, but in reality, it is not so. The Internet is a network of several computers which are linked via some wire or some setting, so that link may sustain without wire too. Whereas World Wide Web contains interlinked vast collection of information so that public may use this resource. The Internet is the main network and www is one of its useful services.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.